This blue crane truck is not only a means of transportation, but also a hero in difficult situations. With its strength and dexterity, it quickly helped the truck escape the sand pit safely. However, when it was the man truck's turn, the crane had to struggle for a while to pull it up because of the weight and large size of the man truck. In another situation, this white truck was towing a broken truck to a repair place. On a steep dirt road, an excavator pulling a dump truck got bogged down during construction, attracting the attention of many people around. This driver's driving skills are very professional and classy when driving a truck carrying tons of wood up steep slopes. The driver controlled the speed and handled it correctly and promptly when going through that steep section was admirable. This is a situation that people who move wood do not want to encounter. Their wood truck is stuck in the forest.
Охереть!
Here, it was very fortunate that the crane was present in time to successfully rescue this logging truck.
Вот, пожалуйста.
This is the KAMAZ 537G off-road vehicle designed to transport military equipment and other cargo on harsh terrain, including dirt, mud and snow. With an 8x8 wheel system, TATRA 813 is able to easily overcome sand pits. Besides, the powerful engine, along with the chassis structure, helps the TATRA 813 overcome terrain such as sand pits flexibly and stably. This KAMAZ truck was stuck in the sand. The wheels could not move. Drivers used trucks connected by tow ropes to pull the KAMAZ truck off this harsh road. Although the progress of this rescue is very slow, it seems to be somewhat successful. Finally, the bulldozer is responsible for pulling the KAMAZ truck back again to create a path for the trucks behind. This all-terrain vehicle got stuck right in a deep hole and had to rely on the support of an excavator to be able to continue moving. The people here created a very deep hole with mud and water inside, and they used their all-terrain vehicles to cross it. Off-road truck drivers are truly warriors who are not afraid of difficulties. This competition is not only about the speed and strength of off-road vehicles, but also about the courage of the drivers to overcome all challenges.
Cabo.